You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm.
We hope you continue to bring success to your life. May God bless you. Wishing you a wonderful retirement. Now you have time for living and one. Happy retirement, Sir Ed.
For all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own.
Best wishes on your next chapter, Sir Eng. We've learned a lot from working with you over the years. We are going to miss you, Sir Eng. God bless you and your family. Thank you.
What a time. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let.
Congratulations on the job well done, and here's to relaxation, new beginnings, and everything in between. Enjoy your permanent weekend. Eat well and have fun in your retirement, Sir Ed. From Finance Section. Happy retirement, Sir Ed. From Engineering Section. We will miss you.
Happy retirement, Sir Eng. From Operations and Maintenance Section. Wishing you the best on your retirement. God bless.
Hi Tito Eng, it's Koy. I just want to congratulate you for achieving another milestone in your life. And I hope you continue sharing your blessing with people. And I just want to say na as your pamangkin, sobrang nakaka-proud to have a tito like you who's caring, mabait, humble, generous, and pogi. Magpapahuli pa ba tayo dyan? Siyempre hindi. Joke. Anyways, treasure each moments na you spend with Tita Malin. Especially your kilig moments. Joke lang. Anyways, congratulations ulit, Tito Eng.
Congratulations, Kuya. Happy retirement.
Kuya, congrats. Panibagong buhay naman. Kanang unya ng amo. Happy retirement.
Congratulations pa sa retirement. Salamat sa gabos na suporta as in pagkamot na tinaw mo sa muya kung kahit to hanggang munyan. Sa mga maabot na aldaw, magkakaigwa ka na nin panibagong yugto, nin buhay, nadai ka na ma-stress as in magkakaigwa ka na ning masalawig na oras sa pag-uma, sa pamilya, as in sa Diyos. Tandaan mo lang pa na yaw lang kami digdi sa likod mo maski anong oras, maski anong panahon. Salamat.
Pa, Marinal daw. Unya na maretiro na. Gusto ko lang maipahayag ang sakong pasalamat sa gabos na naging sakripisyo mo sa pamilyata. Proud kami sa imo. Unya na maretiro ka na, babantayan mo na ang salud, kami, ang mga aya, mga ekos, ang bukid. I wish you a happy and fulfilling retirement.
Congrats pa sa retirement. May oras na para mag-enjoy.
To have you back again. Is there someone you know you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day. Someone takes them just to touch you once again.